Okay, we're back again, and now we've got our juice and our sugar as well as our raisins all mixed up, and we've got them in here. I thought these were half gallons of pineapple juice, but for whatever reasons it's not quite, which worked out perfect for us because you want to leave extra room in your jug in case you add more sugar, which we'll probably do, and for all of your crap to cook, because it's going to raise, the bubbles are actually going to come out of it. Now, one thing I didn't mention before that I want to mention to you really quick right now is if you're using your hands in this process, you want to make sure they're absolutely sterile. And that means under your fingernails, everything, because all it takes is one bit of gunky particle to get in your mix and it will not cook. It'll destroy the whole thing. So fortunately we had the ability to use these gloves, so we took that chance and did it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the last thing here, and that is the kicker. So as you can see, it's the same kicker. There's no yeast in there. All that is as I said before, oranges and sugar that sat for 3 days, and it'll naturally do that on its own. Some of you may be able to get a yeast ball from the head chef, or well, I doubt that because you won't be watching that. So anyway, that's a different topic. We'll throw that in there, and now this is ready for a nice, cool, dark place. I won't be putting the lid on because what that will do is cause it to explode. All kinds of gases are created, and what you'll see is during the course of this 3 days, and I'm going to show it to you throughout the 3 days so you can see it, this whole gallon will start to bubble and it'll look like it's boiling, and that means it's cooking. In other words, whatever type of bacteria that we created is eating the sugar and excreting alcohol. So that's it for now, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.